Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are back with the Apple unboxings, and today we have to unbox the Apple Watch Band, which is 44 millimeters, and it's a new color. It's Kumquat. So let's don't waste time and let's begin. Hello guys, what's up? It's my channel, Showtime with MZ, and if you're new here, consider subscribing down below because we make a bunch of cool technological videos, unboxing, setups, and way more. And without any further ado, today we are unboxing the Apple Watch Band Kumquat Color Edition. By the way guys, you can purchase it from the link down below in the description for $49. 40 millimeters or 44 millimeters. It's up to you. And let's begin. Let's open it up. So I guess we can open it up this. Oh no, we have here this pull tab or whatever. Can be considered as ASMR, don't you think so, guys? So like this. Okay, like this. And here we are, it's open. Ho ho ho, ho ho ho. Here it comes. So I know you can't quite see it yet, and we will of course move forward to it. We can put it aside right now. And let's take a look at this part. So let's actually take the Apple Watch Band out of here. And here we are. Okay, and here we get it. So, the Apple Watch Band, this is the Kumquat edition. Let's actually read some stuff on it. So, it's a sport band, stainless steel pin with the bracelet, it's like in other words, so it's in other languages, I mean. So here we have written that it's Apple Watch 44 millimeters Kumquat Sport Band and designed by Apple in California, made in China, as you can see right over there. So like here. Okay, and on the side we have just a beautiful image of our 44 millimeter Kumquat Apple Watch Sport Band. Pretty nice. And now let's not waste time and let's unpack it. And yeah, here as well we have Kumquat Sport Band written, as you can see probably. Yeah, so there it is. Yeah. So Kumquat Sport Band, pretty nice. All the sides, and 44 millimeter edition is written over here if you can see it. Okay, and let's unbox it. So here we have this pull tab or whatever it is called over here. So we're gonna just simply begin with this. 3, 2, 1, go. Not an ASMR format. Let's see if this one has something to offer. Nope. And basically with this unwrapping experience, which is not ASMR, we are inside the box. Oh, I really love this color, even the one that is presented on the box. So yeah, let's go. So like this, and let's pull it out. Okay, and some documentation as well. So let's see what we get. So these are just documentations, basic Apple paperwork that you get with every Apple Watch Band and everything at all. And now let's unbox it. And by the way guys, if you want to check out my iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing setup and review, it's right here, so you can click it and watch it. And maybe also MacBook Air M1 unboxing setup and review right here. And moving with the Apple Watch Band. So here it's written Apple Watch, like Apple logo and watch. So Apple logo watch. Okay, and so when we open it, we have this documentation again to attach band slide in until you hear a click. Then how we can adjust it and all. So nothing new, I guess. And whoa. Wow, that's cool. I really like this color. I really like it. Look. This is a great color, guys. I really recommend to get it to you. So here we have the middle sizes, and here we have the small size. So I always go for the small size because I have a small hand. So now we are gonna take these out and fit them to my wrist. So let's go. Yeah. So let's start with this one. You see it right here. We have a wrapper. Yeah, we're gonna take it off like this, and it's now ours totally. So we're gonna put it aside, and also the small part here, the larger part, but for me it's small. So this one, and now let's actually go ahead, and I'm gonna just replace my Apple Watch band, which is the cornflower sport band. Yes, it is cornflower sport band, and I'm gonna replace it with the Kumquat Apple Watch band. So both colors look just amazing, and let's do this. So yeah. Let's go. So if you don't know, but who doesn't know it, you tap basically this place and you just take the Apple Watch out. So like this place, I'm gonna tap it and it goes out like this, and then we are putting it in just like this, okay? So, and just like this. And by the way, guys, I have the 42mm Apple Watch Series 3, and it's completely fine to use 44mm watch bands with it, because 2mm is not really a big difference, I would say. Even these ones that I use are 44mm, and I'm using them perfectly fine. So, yeah, this is how the Kumquat Apple Watch Sport Band with the Apple Watch itself looks like. I'm gonna now take on my wrist, and wow, this feeling of new Apple Watch band is so great. Like, this material is quite different. After time, it begins to feel quite different than in the beginning when you have just bought it. So this is how it looks, and it is really amazing Apple Watch Sport Band. So yeah, guys, this was the Kumquat Apple Watch Sport Band 44mm unboxing and review. So yeah, maybe we will right now take a look at it, like its color on the light. That's it, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel to see more awesome videos just like this. Also, of course, click like to appreciate the work we've done, and comment maybe something, any question, any products that you want us to review in the future. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.